Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record bad debt in QuickBooks Online. When customers fail to pay their invoices, you need to write off these uncollectible amounts properly to keep your financial records accurate and your books balanced. Let's walk through the complete setup process step by step. First, you'll need to create a dedicated account for tracking bad debts. Head to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Chart of Accounts. This is where you manage all your financial accounts in QuickBooks, and it's the foundation for organizing how money flows through your business. Once you're in the chart of accounts, click the New button to create a fresh account. You'll see a form asking you to specify what type of account you're creating. For the account type field, select Expenses. This categorizes bad debt as a business expense, which is exactly how it should appear on your financial statements, since it represents money you won't be collecting. Next, you'll need to choose a detail type from the options available. Select Bad Debts. This tells QuickBooks precisely what kind of expense you're tracking. Now give your account a clear name by typing Bad Debts in the name field. Once that's done, click Save and Close. You've just created the account that will track all your uncollectible invoices. Now we need to set up a product or service item that links to this account. Go back to the gear icon and this time select Products and Services. This section lets you create items that you can add to invoices and other transactions. Click New to create a new item, and when prompted to choose a type, select Non-Inventory. This option works perfectly for services or one-time entries like bad debt write-offs. In the name field, type Bad Debts to keep your naming consistent. Make sure to check the box that says, I sell this product service to my customers. This enables you to use this item on customer transactions when you need to write off an unpaid invoice. Here's the crucial part. For the income account dropdown, select the bad debts account you created earlier. This links your service item directly to your expense account, ensuring that any bad debt entries are properly categorized in your financial reports. Once you've made this selection, click Save and Close. You're all set. You've now created both the account and the service item needed to record bad debts in QuickBooks Online. Whenever you need to write off an unpaid invoice, you can use this bad debts item to properly document the loss. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.